Welcome everyone. Today, we have an exciting lesson in store for you. We will be covering must-know tools vocabulary words. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or simply looking to expand your English vocabulary, these words will be invaluable. Let's jump right into it. Hammer. A tool used for driving nails or breaking objects apart. Screwdriver. A tool used for turning screws or loosening them. Pliers. A hand tool used for gripping, bending, and cutting objects like wires. Wrench. A tool used for tightening or loosening nuts and bolts. Tape measure. A flexible ruler used for measuring lengths and distances. Drill. A power tool used for making holes in various materials. Saw. A cutting tool with a long blade used for cutting through materials like wood or metal. Screw. A threaded fastener used with a screwdriver or a wrench to hold objects together. Level. A tool used for determining if a surface is horizontal or vertical. Paintbrush. A tool used for applying paint to surfaces, such as walls or canvas. Chisel. A sharp-edged tool used for carving or cutting through materials. Clamp. A device used for holding objects tightly together during woodworking or welding. Sander. A power tool used for smoothing surfaces by abrasion with sandpaper. Staple gun. A handheld tool used for driving staples into various materials. Wire cutter. A tool used for cutting wires or cables cleanly and accurately. Mallet. A hammer-like tool with a large, soft head used for striking or shaping materials. Trowel. A handheld tool with a flat, pointed blade used for spreading and smoothing materials like mortar or plaster. Shovel. A tool with a long handle and a broad, flat blade used for digging, lifting, and moving loose materials such as soil, sand, gravel, or snow. Soldering iron. A tool used for melting solder to join or repair metal components. Jack. A mechanical device used for lifting heavy objects or vehicles. Pry bar. A long, flat tool used for prying, lifting, or removing nails or objects. That concludes our lesson on must-know tools vocabulary words. Make sure to practice using these words in context to enhance your technical skills and confidently discuss tools in English. Subscribe for more interesting videos.